Hi my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of all of those chapped lip, cracked lip and a dark lip. Okay, now I know that there are so many people who love their lip looking dark, but of course there are also people who want their lip to look really soft and pink and tone, like exfoliated. Okay, because when you don't exfoliate your lip at least once once in a week or once in 2 weeks, it's going to look really dark, rough, dry and unkept. So this home remedy is going to help you achieve that. So if you do love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and then let's dive into the video. For a pinker and a more softer lips, we're going to be needing brown sugar. Brown sugar is loaded with a remedy that helps to whoop out dead skin cells. It helps to remove and rejuvenate the skin, and it also helps to remove dark lip, chapped lip and cracked lip, leaving your lip really pink and soft. And also we're going to be making use of honey. Now honey is a natural skin moisturizing agent. It helps to moisturize the skin and leave the skin really youthful, and it's also a natural home remedy that helps to scrub out dead skin cells. It makes the skin really soft. And then we're going to be making use of green tea. Green tea is loaded with a remedy that works wonders in removing fine lines and wrinkles, and it also helps for age spots. It works wonders in rejuvenating the skin, and it helps for soft pink lip. And then we're going to be making use of oil, and we're going to be using Johnson baby oil. Now this helps so much in softening the skin. It helps for a pinker lip, and it also helps to leave the skin really soft and moisturized. Alright, so I'm going to be needing to use 1 full tablespoon of brown sugar. And then I'm going to be opening up the green tea, and then we're going to be needing the green tea itself. So we're going to be pouring all of this into this. About 1 tablespoon of honey will be perfect. And then we're going to be putting in about 1 teaspoon of Johnson baby oil. So we're going to be stirring and mixing all of the ingredients together. Now the consistency is going to be thick, but as it goes by, the sugar is going to get dissolved, and then the consistency will be loosen up, so you don't have to put too much of water. Okay, and this is how it looks like. So we're gonna go scrub out the dead skin cells from the lip with this. Hey guys, so here is the pink lip removal remedy, and yeah, I just washed my face this morning, and I just want to scrub out those dead skin cells on my lip, and this is gonna be ideal. Okay, so what you do is that you grab this with your fingers, or you can use some an applicator, and then you use that to scrub your lip. Now you have to scrub it gently, okay, because the lip is actually very soft. So you scrub it gently and with a circular motion. Scrub. Now if you're used to scrubbing your lip, you would have noticed that your lip would have been exfoliated, your lip would be soft, and your lip will be really pink, because when it's exfoliated, it's gonna be, you know, showing the real color. Okay, for the interest of those who have, because there are some people who originally or naturally have dark lip. Okay, when you exfoliate your lip, it might not be like pink, but of course it's gonna be really soft and looking natural. Okay, it's gonna be looking natural color, but it might not be like pink. But in case you have pink lip right from onset, when you exfoliate your lip with this, you're gonna be seeing the magic happens. Okay, it's gonna help you to get your lip to pink, but you have to do it every 2 days, not every day, because the lip is actually very pink. Okay, so it has to be every 2 days, and then a soft exfoliation, or rather whenever you want to brush your teeth, you can grab a little of this. When you're done brushing your teeth, then you can grab a little of this, put it on your brush, and then you brush your lip. It's easy as that, simple. So you keep it close by, close to where your paste is, so that when you're done using your paste to brush your teeth, then you can use this to brush your lip, and your lip is going to get pinker and lighter and softer. Okay, so when you're done, you wash it off with a normal water, and you're going to be having some residue of that oil. Let me go wash it off, and I'll be right back to show you. Okay, so you can see I just washed this off, and look at this. Look how my lip is really light, and it's actually getting really pink. Okay, the more I scrub, the more it will get lighter, and it will begin to get pinker. Okay, so that's what I'm actually saying. If you have a dark lip, it might not be pink, just like here. Look right here, it's getting pink. It might not be pink, but it will get softer. Your lip will be really soft and kissable, and you're gonna be loving it. Yeah. So basically that's it. It's very simple. You can store this ingredient for as long as you want, and then you use it. You know, you can just use it just like I said. When you finish brushing your teeth, you just put it in your brush and brush your lip, and your lip is going to get exfoliated, toned, and beautiful, and then it's going to begin to look pink, and you are going to be achieving your result. So that's it, guys. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and